Elzia Highest TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Ewa hase Osha na audience abo subscribe button so na bibia so etimi akoi e dey mo ye dey Asante Kotoko and Ghana Premier League on sale and as well as Ghana Football Association, specifically Ghana Black Stars. Ebusia enche na yɛde bɛtu dwa sɛ Accra Heart of Folk etimi asake ɔmo coach and din ɛde ɛyɛ coach Masood Didi Dramani ɔmo kyerɛ mu a ɛyɛ mutually termination ne sɛ bɛnni ne mmienu nyinaa na ɛte ɔmo ho ase ɛna ɔmo yɛ dɛ ɔmo twa contract ne mu a kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ mu a ɔmo dissolve all the technical members ɛde ma Accra Heart of Folk obenye obi te sɛ Naja Isa yɛ goalkeepers trainer ɛne adeɛ na ayɛ sɛ ɔmo dissolve ne na ɔmo kyerɛ mu a they have to establish a new technical department ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ na biribiara nso ɛde ayɛ kama ɛde ama ɔmo ɔkɔ kuma sɛ Asante Kotoko nso a ntia yɛba ne sɛ ɛnkyɛ bi Asante Kotoko sɛ ɔmo yɛ transition ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛbɛyi gyae dwumadie ne nyinaa abɛhyɛ board ne nsa tin IMC ntimi enye ndi dwuma ne bi ntino ɛyɛ board no ɛna ba be take over what you say ɛne ntino yɛ metie ne sɛ board no so ɔmo secretary a esi amena ka sɛ ɔmo appointed lawyer unless free original say ɔno na ɛmehwɛ na ɔnhwɛ bi on say the affair of every legal thing bia ɛwɔ contract man and say IMC any commercial Asante Kotoko as well as the board baby also the mawa usuti tanasa worship say Fred TV na baby also it me across the ma enche and never told us Walid for saying the name and Asante the Emmanuel Kotei and so it me akwa interview every and so Fox FM amonka say clubhouse one listen some clubhouse no one say Walid Grandpa specifically or say or me plead na was Ghana for was look master Asante Kotoko supporters bia say ohun say senka master Asante Kotoko man second chance and go be lifted up in performance which ma wa let every master Asante Kotoko down support bia so wa letting it down I just say this the performance is go then they no only who say enya no na o dan e bia o say nkebe ya nka Asante Kotoko no another chance no mo say wamo Asante Kotoko man a chance bi so on to us wa ono de he holds no grudge at Asante Kotoko say na kuma mu fine obefiri kama na baby anso etimi e de kama enso e de ma no afei so next news enso ne say Walid Saka say because of omonti clubhouse no loss of respect or the aim of the IMC to club the players in the clubhouse was to team bonding. But if someone comes and says that because they are closely related, and then if I come out out of my room, I'll see you, I'll see this and this. It contributes to loss of respect. Or chairman Kabeyanka, going forward, no, and come allow no being coming out of their room and as out of their house. Maybe also basically I come and they are more say in this world. And you'll be a bit my you'll be down for what I say. If someone tries to be your friend and then you don't want him to be your friend, it creates some consequences. It creates some tension. It creates a bad atmosphere there. I want some so the amount channels and IMC and so with me first board number first appointment on Beno and young say on me appointed a club CEO na baby and so it me obi all leading club CEO no and so the NCBI the home 7 November Dino has a pa and room na baby and so it me kama e dey ma obi biara OTA and as watchers effective change